Hello guys, welcome to another video. First of all, I would like to wish all those Safemoon holders, because our Safemoon family is reached 1 million holders. It means Safemoon is going to boom again. So in today's videos I am going to talk about how Safemoon is going to reach 1 cent. Yes, really I'm going to discuss about 1 cent. How the Safemoon is going to reach at 1 cent. Okay, so first of all let me show you. Again I will say congrats, because we reached 1 million holders. Okay, here you can see a recently tweet from Safemoon protocol 47 minutes ago. China, are you ready for Safemoon? It means there is something big coming. So yesterday I uploaded also a video about Safemoon, and I also talked about that Safemoon is maybe going to launch on a Binance, because I already mentioned you that Safemoon work with Binance Smart Chain. That's why there is a 90% chances that Safemoon will launch soon on a Binance. And here you can see again in the tweet, China, are you ready for Safemoon? It means there is another pumping is coming in the Safemoon. It means Safemoon will grow more than 1000 or 10,000x. Here you can see this recently Safemoon has also uploaded his 52 days result. I think never any coin did that kind of the work, because Safemoon is doing his best. Here you can see the 52 days they are reached 1.1 million holders, all-time high bull runs, 340k followers and 50k live viewers on Twitch, trending 5 days in a row, 410 trillion tokens burned, market cap reached to 5 billion, and locked coin on 250 millions. And I also read that by CEO that maybe they are going to lock more coins. They are expanded team 35 and listed 2 exchanges more coming. Here you can see they also hinted that more exchanges are coming. It means they are going to soon launch on a Binance. And yesterday Ahmed Logan's, first of all let me show you the profile of CEO of Safemoon, what he is going to discuss. Okay, here you can see the hello Safemoon comment. We are finishing the logistic big calls since I went live last time. We are appreciate the patience while we finishing things. I think we are setting a record speed longest times without sleep. Okay, and again I want to show you another thing, because the thing is that, and here you can see a big tweet 19 hours like, you have my words. It means John is doing something crazy and we are going to moon soon. Okay, and I wanted to show you another clip of yesterday night of a CEO Safemoon, what he discussed about. It means he and his team is really serious about Safemoon. It means they are going to do something crazy. Maybe never any coin get a success like this. So stay tuned for more videos. I will upload another videos on a Safemoon. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go and click on a bell icon, and also don't forget to subscribe. When click on a subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on a bell icon, and also go check the interview of John Connie, because I'm going to add it in the last, and I will see you in another video.
Hello, I'm John, CEO of Safemoon. The AMA did not go the way I had planned or expected, so I am going to cover some points here. The AMA was a shambles. Not gonna lie. So now I'm going to provide some clarification. All right, so I have some notes that I took from the AMA. I'm bringing them here. First off, 1 million holders in 50 days. That should have been emphasized way more than a call. I apologize. 1 million holders in 50 days is fantastic growth. It's honestly humbling. I went to bed and I woke up and we had virtually doubled. Our Twitter, 300,000 followers, 50 days. That growth is insane. We're viral. We are the most viral crypto in the world right now. Now, the team is small right now. We're expanding to meet the demand. The other point I wanted to make was the LP. We locked $250 million away. That's gone. Now, the other point that should have been brought up during the AMA was regards to Africa and the roadmap and the utility. So right now, we are working through that. We actually have a country specifically identified, and we're already beginning the groundwork and beginning to set up the logistics to send people to that country. I can't go into the mechanics of what that looks like at this time, but in the near future, I will be announcing that, and I will be discussing it with the community and everyone here. However, China is knocking on our door. Two major exchanges reach out to us, and we're getting listed with them. The first one, they already tweeted about us, MXC. I just want to read out some stats for you about MXC. They're huge. It's a big deal. The 24-hour trading volume is $857 million. They have 230 coins listed, and they're the 36th largest exchange in the world. Safe is moving up at a very rapid pace, and people are noticing. However, there is going to be another exchange that I can't talk about right now, but here in the next 5 hours, around 5 hours, there will be an announcement put out. They will be listing with them. We will be listing with them first. The Asian market's important to us, just like all the markets are, and we realized we needed more exchanges there. People reached out. We're now working with those exchanges, and we're only going to continue to expand across the globe. I want to address the Trust Wallet. So Thomas mentioned it. The Trust Wallet price, from our observations, is inaccurate. PancakeSwap has the accurate price. So if you're curious what the actual price is, go to PancakeSwap. You can put an example, just one Safemoon or 1,000 Safemoon, and you can actually see it populate on the bottom. We're currently working with BSC and BSC Scan. When the issues arose after our volume overwhelmed them and we noticed the issue, we got a direct line with them. So we're talking to Binance Smart Chain. We're also talking to Binance or BSC Scan. When we noticed BSC Scan was off and everyone was all of a sudden, sitting at 1 quadrillion or sextillion or, the crazy amount in their wallet, we instantly started making calls. We got a hold of them, what's going on. We then followed all the way down the line, and we have a direct line to their support. So we heard you and we fixed the issue. Should be working now. Accuracy. So it should be accurate right now. However, Trust Wallet, we're still observing inaccuracies in the reporting. So please go to PancakeSwap and actually go through that little process, and you'll be able to see what the accurate price is. All right. The other point I was trying to make during the AMA was the Certic audit. Release of that audit is imminent. We have provided every document they've asked for. We have provided any explanation they asked for. We're working very closely with their team. And they also recommended additional KYC checks. I said, no problem. Here's my passport, here's my ID. Do you have any recommendations of additional folks? It's great. They've been fantastic to work with. Let's see. Mandala. Mandala's a big deal. That was the CEO talking to you. There's some great things working, and a listing with them is imminent. That's not coming from my mouth. That's coming from their CEO. So, sorry, I'm just looking at the notes real quick. 1 second. So everyone is asking about Binance and other large exchanges. We're working through those processes, and we're doing our best. And we're doing our best to meet those goals. Those are lofty goals, and we're not afraid. I mean, you've seen the growth within the community. We're smashing it. We're killing it. It's fantastic. And we're only getting bigger. And lastly, what I wanted to mention is I'm truly humbled by this experience. I'm truly humbled to be a part of this community and talking with you. I try to read all my DMs, try to answer all my DMs, and just the volume from everyone is absolutely fantastic and absolutely humbling. We're really excited with the progress we made, and we're super excited about the future developments coming down the line. I mean, these next 30 days are just going to be super busy for us. And we're absolutely excited. Anyway, my name is John. I'm the CEO of Safemoon. Thank you for watching.